Figured I'd do a quick video. I ain't gonna stay out here on the mini tractor. I ain't gonna stay out here long because 39 is pretty darn code for Texas. Yeah, the floorboards mostly welded on. I ran out of wire, so I gotta buy some more. See, that's the floorboards. See, be back here. Let's see if you see my riding. I got terrible riding, guys. I'm left-handed and I've always had terrible riding. Then you got your dashboard's gonna be right here. Steering support right here. Steering will go down there. What I'll have to do is find bushings and weld in bushings right here and flat stock on this side with the bushing, or angle iron with the bushing on this side, and then there'll be another piece of flat steel right here for the jack shaft to hook into, and back here another 1/4 inch piece for the wheel bearings to be hooked into. So the best I could find for the size axle I need is to go through BMI carts, buy the 3/4 axle and cut it down to the length I need. Which it would be cool. It would be good if I had the gears I had was for make the jack shaft was 3/4 inch. Then I could just use the leftover to make the jack shaft, but I don't. But I got plenty of 5/8, so I guess I'll make it 5/8. I got plenty of 5/8 gears here. So what I'll do is a pulley will run down from the engine from here to here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for a clutch. I'm probably gonna have brakes, but the way I plan on gearing this where it won't move very fast. I don't want it to move very fast. It's a tractor. It's not meant to go fast. This thing's mostly looks and riding around the tractor show, like a butt buggy for the tractor shows. Seat right here is going. I'm wanting to find a Sears seat spring, and I can put a tractor seat there. But these wheels is what I found for the back of it. I think they're like 480 by 8. I need to look and see if they make ag tires that size. If they do, I'll replace those turf with ag tires because they'll look cool. And then I found these. These are low from setting, but these still have the painted strap on them. These are newer tires. I got them on the one that I pulled the engine off for that Massey Ferguson. They'll go close together like this because they're going to be narrow steering, something like this. And that's how that'll work, going down that way. Because I'm trying to keep it as small as possible. So far, most of the parts I have here. So it's only going to take me, what's going to cost me is the rear sprocket and the axle and the bearing. All the pillow bearings is what's going to cost me big time. That'll probably be out $50-$60 in just bearings probably to do it right. And then the axle's $20. I could probably just get away with a 5/8 piece of round stock for the jack shaft and just weld the pulleys to it instead of having one keyed. Of course, I could look. The keyed ones might not be that much, and that might work better for me. But I see, I did get the floorboards on. They're small. I'm thinking I'm not going to do a foot clutch. I'm going to do a hand lever clutch. Hopefully I left enough room. I'm not for sure. Hopefully I left enough room for the hand clutch. But I guess I'll have to wait and see how it goes. I might have to redo it. But that's what I got. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video. If you ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel and be sure to hit the bell. Thanks for watching.